Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures. Welcome to another video. Honda Cars Philippines Incorporated, or HCPI, has just launched its all-new CR-V and Honda City. But a few days before the launch, we were invited here at Honda's plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna to get our first look at these new vehicles. What do they offer? Stick around and find out. But before that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos like this one. Now that's out of the way, let's get on this vehicle.
Before we check out the CR-V, let's first take a look at this top-of-the-line City.
Okay, we're now at the 1.5 liter Honda City, the RS variant. So obviously the RS variant is the top-of-the-line model, sporty by nature. So you'll see the exterior sporting a lot of body kits that are geared more towards having a sporty look. So in terms of the RS kits, you'll see the glossy front grille with the RS emblem, of course. And you also have the 16-inch alloy wheels that also sports an RS design. The glossy black spoiler and the side mirror, all sporting RS design.
As a whole, you'll see the updates on the new lineup, but the DNA of City's older generations is still there, and I kinda like that about it. Up front, we have full LED headlights with auto-off timer, meaning in case you forget, the lights shut down after 15 seconds of turning off the engine. Completing the front fascia are LED fog lamps, as well as daytime running lamps. While at the back are tail lights and a high-mount stop lamp also made of LEDs. Additionally, it employs a sleek shark fin for its antenna, and the RS design side mirrors also come with signal repeaters.
That same design continues inside. You'll see the red stitching, red accents all over. And as for the interior, you'll notice a combination of leather and suede for the upholstery. So that's a good thing. It feels good to the touch and is also stylish. And it has this 8-inch display, touch display, that's already supported by Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so that's a good thing.
It also features an automatic air conditioning system with rear ventilation, USB ports for charging, and an 8-piece speaker system that's exclusive for this variant. Oh, and don't forget its sport pedals, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and stitches to match the RS variant's premium and sporty disposition.
For me personally, when I review vehicles, I tend to look for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay because for me it's one of the easiest and most seamless way to transition from your phone to the car's infotainment system. Because basically you just connect it and it's already there. The things you need like Spotify, Waze, Maps, they're all laid out nicely and efficiently, which is a lot easier than fumbling over your phone, checking Waze or Maps if your direction is correct, or simply streaming music through Spotify. So having Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, even on its lower variant, is a good thing for me. Definitely a good thing. Because you don't need to get the best model, the top variant, just to enjoy these helpful and really reliable feature. And the 8-inch touch panel right here is really easy to see. It's very visible, but you also have tactile buttons, physical buttons right here on the right side, which is definitely a good thing because it's not always that you can take your eyes off the road and look at your display just to really know that you're pressing the right stuff. One feature is eco coaching, which basically tells you when you're stepping on the gas pedal too much. It tends to tell you to ease off the pedal to get more fuel efficiency in, which means it'll encourage you to achieve better mileage when you're using this car. Another one is multi-view rear camera that lets you see different angles when you're backing up. So you can switch your view depending on what you need. See it like really up close or see the entire of the rear side. It's all up to you.
Other features include remote engine start and cruise control for those leisure drives on highways.
Now in terms of experience, my initial impression is that it really packs a punch because one step, so the engine really delivers power when you need it.
Of course, except for the manual transmission variant, the three other models carry a CVT or continuously variable transmission. There's also Eco Mode to control throttle response to aim for better mileage. This new vehicle is also complete with safety tech for when you're driving in and out of the city, no pun intended. It comes with Vehicle Stability Assist, Hill Start Assist, anti-lock brake system, and electronic brake force distribution. There are a total of 4 models available for the new City. For other variants, of course, you'll be letting go of some features here and there. Going one model down from the RS variant, seat wrappings have been swapped with fabric instead of leather. Full LED headlights will be given up for halogen-type lamps, and both the multi-view rear camera and cruise control will be available for the two top variants only. As for the new Honda CR-V, we were able to quickly check out the top-of-the-line model, which comes with Honda Sensing technology. But before we get to what Honda Sensing is, here's a rundown of its other key features. It too carries a set of full LED headlights with daytime running lights and LED fog lamps. A roof rail is also present for hauling additional cargo if needed, while a panoramic sunroof is available for this top model. At the back, we have LED taillights as well and a power tailgate with hands-free assist. Rounding up the exterior are 18-inch alloy wheels that make the CR-V stand tall and proud. Step inside and you'll be greeted with its full leather seats and treated to a piano black interior with wood accents. The CR-V's cabin aims to provide not just safety, but also extra comfort during drives, so it's equipped with an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat in addition to the 4-way power passenger seat. And since this model is specifically a 7-seater, folks at the back will be glad to know that there's even roof-mounted AC vents to keep them cool during long drives. In terms of entertainment, the whole gang can get their tunes lined up using its 7-inch touch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. After which, they'll be treated to high-quality audio through its 8-piece speaker system. The all-new CR-V is loaded with tech features that aim to make your trips more enjoyable. First and foremost is a wireless charger that eliminates the need to fumble over cables while driving just to charge your compatible smartphone. It also comes with the same multi-view reverse camera like the Honda City for easier maneuvering, low tire pressure warning, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and front and rear corner parking sensors. The interior has also been fitted with a total of 6 airbags for added safety. Except for the 5-seater CR-V, which runs on a gasoline engine with a CVT, the 3 other variants sport turbo diesel engines. These are then mated to a 9-speed automatic gearbox with electronic gear selector delivering power to all wheels. And as a side note, Honda still doesn't see the need for a traditional gear lever, so you'll have buttons to deal with. They kind of take some getting used to, but they never fail to attract attention for new passengers. Now for Honda Sensing, it's basically the company's advanced safety technology to promote driving convenience. It uses a radar to detect lane markings and distance around the vehicle to offer features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking system, and more. Basically, it aids the driver to make the trip safer and more enjoyable for everyone inside. Again, just like the City, some features will not be included for the other 3 variants of the CR-V. These include the panoramic sunroof, auto-rain sensing wipers, and front and rear corner sensors, to name a few. Honda Sensing is also just limited to the 2 top variants of the new CR-V, so that's another thing to consider. Meanwhile, here are the pricing for both the City and CR-V.
And that was our first look at the all-new Honda CR-V and Honda City. As always, please be sure to visit our website as well as our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.